In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the answers for Google Forms. If you've ever wondered how to access and manage the responses to your Google Forms efficiently, you've come to the right place. We're going to walk you through the process with clarity and ease, making sure you get the hang of it in no time. First, you'll want to start by opening up the Google form in question. Head over to the Google Forms platform and locate the specific form for which you're seeking responses. This is the foundational step in our process, as everything stems from having access to the form itself. Once you have the form open, move your attention to the top of the page. Here you will find several tabs. The one you need to click on is labeled Responses. This is your gateway to all the data collected through your form. By accessing this tab, you'll be able to see the accumulated responses neatly organized for your review. Now, when you click on Responses, you are greeted with three distinct viewing options. Each offers a unique perspective on the data you've gathered. First, there's the Summary view. This is where you'll find charts and statistics that give you a quick overview of the overall data trends. It's perfect for getting a snapshot of the widespread responses without diving into the fine details. The second viewing option is labeled Question. This section groups responses by each question on your form. It's particularly helpful when you want to analyze how each question performed or to see specific feedback related to particular questions. Lastly, we have the Individual view. This is where you can see responses one at a time, allowing for a detailed examination of each entry submitted through the form. This view is especially useful if you need to focus on specific response entries or identify individual trends or issues. As you navigate through these tabs, another useful feature is available on the left sidebar, where you can find autofill and further within the Google Password Manager option. Though not directly related to viewing answers, managing inputs and access details ensures that your data handling is both secure and efficient. Finally, for those of you who wish to export this valuable data into a more flexible format, look for the Google Sheets icon, which is also accessible from the Responses section. Clicking this icon will allow you to export and download all the form responses directly into a Google spreadsheet. This can be incredibly beneficial if you're looking to manipulate the data further, create reports, or simply prefer to work within a spreadsheet environment. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can easily access, view, and manage responses from your Google Forms, making data collection and analysis a seamless experience. I hope you found this guide useful and that it helps you harness the full potential of Google Forms for your projects. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.